Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I decided to take the day off, man. It was such a beautiful day this morning, and so I just got here at my friend's flying location, and I have a few jets with me, so I got my racing hat on. I don't know if you guys can see that, but boy, I'm excited to get in the air today. I have the Viper up. This is going to be my first flight of the day. And the 90mm Viper I figured was a really good pick to get started with. I have the E-flite F16 and the E-flite F18 that I'm going to fly yet today, and hopefully everything goes all right. Let's get this airplane in the air. I seen this hat come up for sale during their Black Friday stuff, and the wind, you can see, is kind of going at an angle across the runway, but I think I'm gonna be all right. We're gonna taxi down this way just a little bit, and then we'll take off coming back this direction towards the wind a little bit. I'll line up on the other side of the runway. That way I got a little bit of an angle coming at us. And let's give it one click on the flaps here. And so we'll take off somewhere over here close to the grass, I suspect. All right, well, I went straight and it lifted up nicely, putting the gear up and the flaps up. Sitting at about half throttle and up really high. Sorry about that. Bring it down here over the runway. Just cruising here. We're just going to take another pass through here, nice and easy. Maybe a roll in this downwind. Kind of crosswind, I guess, considering what direction the wind's going. Trying to sink down here nice and low. Trying not to push the throttle too hard. That way if I have to do some go-arounds later, we'll be all right. I did set my timer for 3.5 minutes. And my mom commented on my last video, I need more rolls. So she's gonna get some rolls in this video. We're gonna pick up the speed here and get a loop. And then a roll. Nice. So my buddy Nate's supposed to be meeting me up here sometime today. So maybe we'll get a flight in together at some point. Picking up the speed. I'm using a lot of down elevator to keep this up. Looked really nice. Let's bring it down here low on this pass. Well, relevantly low. The wind is slowed down nicely. Let's get it down this way and we'll do a high-speed pass. There's another one of them rolls for my mom. Here we go. Lining it up. There we go, full throttle now. Boy, that looks good, guys. All right, there's the timer, and we learned our lesson with F-18 Blue Angels. There's my gear. So let's take it back around. We'll throw one click on the flaps, slow it down a little bit. There we go, one click on the flaps, it raised up just a little bit. Trying not to slow it down too much. Keeping the wings as level as possible on the approach. Nice. Took it down a little ways, but didn't want to risk forcing it onto the ground. Taxi it back, not too fast, guys. Don't want to have it tracing all over the place. Nice controlled taxi. In fact, I'm giving it down elevator to keep the nose on the ground. There it is, E-flite Viper 90mm. What a nice flying jet. Love that thing, man. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the flight today, and for just a beautiful day. Big thanks to the Lord. And man, that was a perfect way to start out my day. I can't wait to get these other jets in the air and probably fly this one a couple more times. Man, I'm just having a great time. And if this is the only video I drop, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm Grandpa Gary. I just got here.